Imagine you wake up tomorrow, grab your coffee, walk to the window, and the sun is rising in the wrong direction. Not east, west. The entire planet under your feet is now spinning the other way. Sounds impossible, but scientists actually ran the simulations, and what they found is genuinely wild. Now, if Earth reversed its spin instantly, the atmosphere would keep racing along at over 1,000 miles an hour and tear the surface apart. So let's be kind to physics and say it slows down and reverses gently over a few months. Gravity stays the same, your compass still works, but almost everything else? Flipped. Every sunrise now happens in the west. Solar panels end up on the wrong side of every roof. And Stonehenge, built to track the eastern sunrise for thousands of years, becomes a very expensive pile of rocks. Earth's spin also steers our wind and water through something called the Coriolis effect. Reverse it, and hurricanes rotate the other way. The jet streams flip. The trade winds flip. Every sailing route mapped over 500 years, useless overnight. But here's where it gets beautiful. Scientists at the Max Planck Institute actually modeled this. Flip Earth's spin and the Sahara, that endless ocean of sand, turns green. Grasslands, rivers, forests. A desert the size of the United States replaced by jungle. Of course, every paradise has a price. Right now, Europe stays mild thanks to a giant warm ocean current called the Gulf Stream. Reverse the spin, and that current collapses. Within decades, London winters look like Siberia. Paris freezes. The vineyards of France turn to frozen tundra. The same model showed the Amazon, the lungs of our planet, would shrink dramatically. The rain that feeds the jungle now blows the wrong way, so South America's east coast dries out, and the rainforest shrivels to a thin green strip along the Andes. And the oceans? New currents trigger enormous dead zones across the Pacific, water where almost nothing can survive. Fisheries collapse, which means no matter where you live, the food on your plate gets a lot more expensive. Oh, and every clock on Earth breaks. We measure our days by the sun, so flight schedules, stock markets, even New Year's Eve. The entire world calendar has to be rewritten overnight. So could this actually happen? Realistically, no. To flip a world that's been spinning the same way for 4.5 billion years, you'd need an impact the size of Mars. But here's the eerie part. Venus already spins backward. Something long ago flipped an entire planet. Just not ours. Yet. So here's my question for you. If Earth flipped tomorrow, would you move? And where? Tell me in the comments. And if this melted your brain a little, hit subscribe. We do this every single day.